is our original copper extractor wire stripper we at GLW Industries have been selling since April of 2009. As seen in the picture, it strips 10, 12, and 14 solid core copper building wire. Due to customer requests, we were asked to manufacture a multi-stranded wire stripping fixture. Together with our original design, GLW brings you the copper extractor wire stripping system. Start by selecting the insert with the smallest hole that the wire will pass. Place it in the unit and tighten the thumb screw. Fully turn the adjustment clockwise until it stops, then back it out according to the wire size on the chart supplied with the unit. This is a typical setup in a drill press. Do not fasten the unit directly to the drill press table. We recommend 2 stops to keep the unit from rotating in either direction. The cutter wheel adjusting screw is located here. On top is a greaser. Here we are demonstrating stripping the outer sheathing from flat Romex cable. Again, adjust the cutting wheel according to the chart supplied. Once stripped, run the solid wires through the appropriate hole in the upper section. Throughout this video, we are operating our drill press at 150 RPM, delivering approximately 37 feet per minute. The unit can be run safely up to a speed of 300 RPM, which would double your production. Here we are setting up the unit for number 6 gauge wire by changing the insert and adjusting the cutting wheel. The unit will accept wires as small as number 14 and as large as number 2, copper or aluminum. Once again, find the smallest hole that the wire can be received. For your safety, we do not recommend operating the unit with the inserts removed. All the gears and wheels are case hardened with the exception of the cutting wheel, which is made of D2 tool steel. Still not convinced about the quality or performance of our products? Check out our feedback on eBay.